What's up, Diva fam, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Obviously, you guys can tell by the title down below, we are doing a double Ipsy. Oh my god. 2, 3. What's up, Diva fam, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Obviously, you can tell by the title down below, we are doing a double unboxing here. We're doing both of my Boxy charms for the month of June. Obviously, if you guys didn't see my previous videos, I am a little behind on unboxing stuff, so there are 2 giveaways in the month of June, probably more than likely, because following this video will be the giveaway video again. So I'm just, you know, on a roll here, just trying to get caught up now that I've had some time to finally like film and stuff. But I am a day behind definitely in filming, because I think pretty much sure I should have had that other video up where I kind of explained basically we lost power here in Indiana. It was like a record storm. It was called like a derecho storm, where basically it almost has like wind. It has winds as fast as like a hurricane, but there's no like actual like spiraling. It's just really fast winds that basically just come like a wave. And that's pretty much what happened. And we were out of electricity for 2.5 days, 3.5 days. We lost it on Monday. We didn't get it back until earlier this morning around like 10:30. So, and today's Thursday. So yeah, we definitely lost power for a decent amount of time. It was very hard to deal without electricity. So it definitely makes me feel very thankful to live in this century where we have electricity. So yeah, anyways, without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get into these boxes. So you guys know the gist. If you like videos like this, then this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to go ahead and hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D, and let's just go ahead and get into this. Alright, well, welcome. This is your first time to my YouTube channel. I do videos at least a few times a week, as much as I can. I do have a full-time job, but they are beauty, lifestyle, and makeup videos. I do subscription unboxings all the time on my channel, between Boxy, Charm, Ipsy, and other random boxes that I get, such as like the Walmart beauty box, and I just subscribed to a like fitness box, so we'll see what happens when that comes. But anyways, so at the end of my subscription unboxings, I do giveaways for you guys. I'm so close to 700 subscribers, so don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, because it does help me out so much. But anyways, without further ado, let's just go ahead and start off by getting into this first box. So this is Boxy Premium. So in this month we have Boxy Premium, Boxy Luxe. You guys know the values of these boxes are supposed to exceed the amount that you actually pay for the box. Pretty sure the premium box now is about like $40 now. With taxes and everything like that. So we do get 6 full-size items in here. It is hot. My house is still hot because we just got electricity on, and it still fully hasn't cooled down yet. So with all these lights on, I'm dying. Anyways, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products in here. I'm telling you right now, this box is already just so good, just starting off. So we have the Glow Recipe Plump Plump Hyaluronic Serum. I love this serum so much. This is my second time receiving this. I think I got it before in either Ipsy or maybe it's Boxy Charm. Sometimes they send you an email when they like send you double like a product they know that they've sent you before. Honestly, I don't even care about ripping the packaging because I know I love this serum. So I'm happy to have this back in my collection again. So that's fantastic. That can sit right up there. But yes, so there is the first item. That is worth $42, so already the price that we paid for this box. Following into the next item, which is amazing, is Patrick Ta, $29. This is the Shadow Light Eyeshadow Primer. Nope, wrong thing. I lied. This is the Patrick Ta, where is it at? Major Volume Mascara. So we got his mascara for the first time. Love that. I didn't even know he even had a mascara in his line. So typical rose gold packaging. I'm curious what color is this in. This is in black. So it's time for me to try on a new mascara anyways. Nothing really, I don't know, eccentric about the wand, just like a regular bristled wand. So that's cool. So chuck that back here with the rest of our open mascaras. And that is $29. Then it looks like we have this eyeshadow primer, which I was talking about, the Sandbar Shadow Light Eyeshadow Primer. This is worth $28. It's a new brand to a Boxy Charm. I don't really use eyeshadow primers that often. I use concealer more than anything. I never really wanted to buy the P. Louise one. I have an eyeshadow primer in here that I use. It's kind of like a skin tone one. So I'm going to go ahead and pass this on to you guys and put this in the giveaway for this month already. And keep moving on. Okay, cool. Love that. Then the next item we have in here is by the brand called, what is this? Oh, this is by Dominique Cosmetics. Love this. This is by Dominique Cosmetics. It is the Silk Tone Cream Blush. You guys know I love a cream blush. I love dewy blushes. I love all of it. Is it in her packaging like normal? Yep, so it's in the DC packaging. I do have one of her like dewy highlighters. So this will be really fun to try out. It is a really, really beautiful shade. Definitely am excited for that one. That is worth $22 for us there. Then we have an eyeshadow palette. This is by Lorac. It is the Pro Palette Artist Edition. I didn't even know Lorac was still around, because I don't see it in Ulta. I don't see it in Sephora anymore. I think Lorac can only be found at Kohl's, if someone can let me know if that's a thing or not. But I feel like for a while you can only find Lorac in Kohl's. It used to be a staple because I used to have the Lorac palettes. The first one and the second Pro palettes, like the original ones, and then I got rid of them. This is what it looks like. There's so much packaging, Jesus Christ. This is the Meraki palette. This is what the packaging looks like. I'm going to go ahead and open that up. It tells you what all the shades are. Oh, they're so much more smaller. That's super precious. Love that. It's a bunch of neutrals. Not mad at it. Okay, cool. But again, I didn't know Lorac still made palettes. And I don't own any Lorac palettes in my collection. So we're going to go ahead and keep that one. Is there like extra packaging? Am I missing something? Oh, I am missing something. There's a tool in here. What is this tool? I must have missed this. It should say dazzling, build. Customize your palette by rearranging the shades in order that you prefer. To remove any pain, flip the palette tray outward and in order to expose the removal slot underneath. And then the tool for it. Wow, that's really unique. Okay, well that's going to go all back in its packaging so I don't forget that's how that works. We're just going to set that over there to the side. And then the last item here is going to be Shadow Moon reusable shadow shields. I've never used a shadow shield before. So yeah, you guys can go ahead and have this too. This will be put into the giveaway. They're just, I think, just silicone ones you put underneath to protect your eyes when you're doing your eyeshadow makeup first. You can get a bunch of fallout, and then there's that. So now you have an eyeshadow primer and you have eyeshadow shields. So those are the first two items going into the giveaway for this month. I do not know what the full value of this box is, but obviously it exceeds expectations because we had Lorac in here, we had Patrick Ta here, we had Dominique Cosmetics, we had Glow Recipe. Like, we're on a roll. That's a really good premium box for this month. Alright, moving on. Now we've got Boxy Luxe, which is right here for us. So Boxy Luxe is obviously the more expensive box. I believe this one costs about $60 now. And it is 8 full-size products in here. So we've got a bigger little thing in here. It doesn't really have a theme to it. I think it just says summer. It just says Summer Luxie 2022. So they really didn't go all out doing anything crazy for this one whatsoever. I do remember picking the items. I don't remember what I picked in the other one. I'm pretty sure it was the Patrick Ta mascara. So yeah, there's that. I already peeked into this one and opened the bottom of this box. I was super excited. So in this box we have received an item from Keys, which is Alicia Keys's beauty brand. She has, majority of it is skincare, but then they've just recently starting to dabble into like the more makeup and beauty. So she's releasing stuff that's more like natural skin, so dewy stuff. She released some cream blushes and then some like tinted lip balms, and that's pretty much where she's going right now at the moment. But the item that we received right here is the Let Me Glow Illuminating Serum. So again, another serum. Loving this. You guys know how much I love serums. I like put them on every single day. I pile them on my face to get as much hydration as possible. So there is that. So starting off with this item, this is $26 from the Alicia Keys brand. Then coming in here, we've got another really great item which I was able to choose. This is the Rare Beauty Discover Eyeshadow Palette. This is $29. I cannot believe this was an option. Like, I can't believe Rare Beauty is actually an option in BoxyCharm, which is crazy. But I know a lot of brands really want to get their names out there into these boxes because they're extremely popular. And you do get a lot of bang for your buck. But also I think it makes sense if brands are like trying to either get new products out into the market and get people well known with them, or if they're trying to like move product to put new product in. So I know she's starting to do newer eyeshadow palettes than this one, but I'm still excited to have this because I have the other one my sister got me, and so I'm excited to add this to my collection along with the older Rare Beauty eyeshadow palettes that I recently just received from a subscriber who was so kind to show me that stuff, or send me that stuff. So I'm super excited that I got those eyeshadow palettes. Anyways, okay, so this goes over here. Again, that is $29. Then we have a NARS lipstick. It says it's in Chelsea Girl. This is $26. I'm not really a pink lipstick type of gal, so we'll see if this is going to be my shade or not. It is a very neutral pink, but I feel like I have a lot of pinks like that already in my collection. So I'm going to gladly go ahead and give this to you guys because I know one of you will probably put this to better use than I would. Just because I have so many lip products I don't need anymore. I don't need any more makeup at all either. But so continuing on in here, Jesus Christ. Okay, so we have the Iconic London Sheer Blush. This is in Rose Riot. I already have this in my collection. Another one I gave away in the other giveaway, I think. And now this would be the third one I have of this, so I don't need this again. So this will go into the giveaway as well. There's just a bunch going into this giveaway right now at the moment. Ooh, then we have another Patrick Ta item. This is a lip shine. Love that. I think I peeked at this already. This is in She's Expensive, because she is. So we're definitely keeping that. And then moving on, we have the Wishful Honey Balm. This is the Jelly Moisturizer. So there is this. I have this already in my collection as well. I got this in Ipsy. This is the point that's kind of making me slightly frustrated, is when they keep crossing items and they're not paying attention that they're doing this. So that's just really, really, really irritating to me right now at the moment. Okay, so I'm going to put this to the side. We might reevaluate the giveaway at the end. I know I'm telling you stuff that's going to the giveaway, but in the actual giveaway video, we'll reevaluate because I don't know how many different products I'm actually going to have for the giveaway. And if I have too many, then we'll figure out what to do then. Because right now, these boxes are doing great, but they're also giving me duplicate items that I don't need. Okay, so one of the last items in here is a bunch of makeup blenders. There's 3 full size and 3 minis. I did see Allie Dawson unbox these. They are like a bunch of like rainbow colors. I think it's every color in the rainbow. I think it's red, orange, yellow, blue, green. I don't want to fully take them out and not be able to put them back in. Yeah. So Roy G. Biv is all in here. The rainbow. For beauty blenders. I've never tried this brand for beauty blenders, but I don't really think I need any right now at the moment. Just open up that drawer. Yeah, I definitely have plenty. So we're going to put that off to the side. I don't know what to do with those quite yet. Then the very, very last item in here is from LMS. Those blenders are $65. Excuse me? How and why are 6 beauty blenders $65 when there's 3 full-size ones and 3 itty-bitty little mini ones that are like super small? So I don't know. There's 3 blenders that are about this size, and then there's like the itty-bitty ones that no one ever really uses. So I don't know how those are $65, but they are. Then the last item in here is by LMS. This is a clarifying clay wash, deeply cleanses pores and reduces blemishes. It is a facial wash. Yes, because I'm out of face wash in my shower right now at the moment, or about to be. So I can never get enough of face washes. And I'm unsure if I like the face wash I'm using right now currently in my bathroom though, compared to the one that's in my shower. So yeah, there is that. So again, as a roundabout, the Rare Beauty was $29, Wishful was $43, NARS was $26, LMS was $49, Keys was $26, Patrick Ta was $22, Iconic London was $27, and the sponges were $65. Patrick Ta is new to BoxyCharm, and so is the brand for the beauty blenders. Patrick Ta, yes, anytime, please and thank you. Pretty much everything in this box was amazing besides the beauty blenders. Like, those are all really well-known brands, because Wishful is by Huda, NARS, LMS, Keys. Like, this box knocked it out of the park. I will definitely tell you that for sure. But that is the end of this video. So that is everything we got for our double unboxing for BoxyCharm. I hope you guys appreciated watching this video. Again, don't forget to stay tuned for the next video coming up soon, which will be the giveaway video. I always put it in the thumbnail, and I always put it in the title of the video. So there will be 2 giveaways for the month of June. So that other video, the first giveaway, which was May's unboxings, is already up. And if it's still going on, I will link it down below for you guys, and then keep moving on. So that is it. I appreciate you guys so much. So you know the gist. If you like videos like this, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to go ahead and hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!